3 a.m. in the morning, sitting in my parents' basement, downloading tools I don't understand, copy-pasting code from YouTube, no clue what I'm doing, just pretending to be something I'm not. Finally got Kali Linux running on this old laptop. Followed every step from a tutorial. The dragon logo looked cool, but honestly, I didn't even know what half the commands meant. Built my first fake login page. Sent it out and watched the dashboard. 3 people actually typed in their passwords. That's when I realized how easy it was to fool someone. Started scanning networks with map. Open ports, live hosts, services running. Everything started making sense. I wasn't just guessing anymore. I was actually mapping the digital world. Typed run into Metasploit and held my breath. The screen went black, then a shell opened. I had access. That moment, I knew there was no going back. Hashcat running at full speed, GPUs screaming. 45 minutes later, cracked hashes appeared on the screen. Passwords, emails, names all laid out like an open book. Open Tor for the first time. The green bar loaded slowly. Then I saw it, everything for sale. I wasn't just a curious kid anymore. I was inside. Pressed enter and watched the map light up, red dots spreading across the screen. Machines encrypting one by one. Then the Bitcoin started rolling in. That's when I felt real power. Got a message on Signal, they're onto you. Pulled the USB, grabbed my bag, hit the kill switch. Everything went dark. I disappeared into the night. Knock at the door. My heart stopped. Spilled water across the desk, yanked the power cord, hit everything under the mattress. Footsteps faded. That was too close. Degaussed every hard drive, shredded them one by one. Wiped every surface with bleach. No fingerprints, no logs, no proof that I ever existed in that room. Empty concrete room. No furniture, no cables, no life. Packed my bag, cash, passports, USB drives. Took one last look at the mirror, then walked out. No name, no past, just a ghost.